Hey guys, this guide will show you how to use both Spray to send tokens to multiple users all in one transaction. You can send to multiple addresses in a single click. The very first step is to note go to modespray.xyz. I already have it open, so I'm just gonna go right there. And right here you are seeing that we need to connect our wallet. So I'm just gonna do that right away. Connect my MetaMask wallet. So once your MetaMask is connected, you are greeted with this interface where you can see the tokens on Mode Mainnet and a panel for you to use to add the amount, the addresses you want to send the tokens to. So right now I am on the mode mainnet and I want to switch to the mode testnet. I'm gonna come over here and switch to testnet. The reason is I do not want to play with real money here. I want to show you all this demo using some test tokens so you can see how it works. All right, so I have successfully switched to testnet, and you can see that we just have like three tokens to play with on testnet: ETH, USDC.M, and so this is what we gotta play with. So as it stands, we have like the same interface we have for the mode mainnet. The only difference is we are interacting on the mode testnet because we are using fake money, ETH, USDC, and so. So what is the account panel? The account panel is the part where you input the address you want to send tokens to, and you also indicate how much you want to disperse or spray to this particular wallet. So each line is going to contain both a wallet address and a value of ETH or the value of the token you are intending to send to the wallet address right in front of it. And you have several ways of indicating that. You have like the semicolon, the comma, the equals to, and also the ampersand. And let me just walk you through how exactly that works. How to now use this interface to spray tokens. So I'm gonna add to copy to create multiple accounts, and just so everything is clear, I want to show you right now. I have about 0.048 ETH here, and on Pluto and Suzuki, which I bought the test accounts I'm gonna be spraying to. I currently do not have any token or USDC there or ETH. So one other thing I also recommend that you do is always have like maybe a sheet or Excel sheet where you paste these things so that you can keep records of the transactions or things, and also like it's easier for you to visualize these things. Even though we provide an interface to visualize them, it's always easier for you to do this right away from the start. I can either copy this or this do the same thing. And you see there are other variants here where you can use the comma equals to or ampersand to like indicate where the wallet address stops and where the value that you're sending starts. I'm just gonna copy this right here, and I'm gonna go back to mode spray, and I'm gonna paste from clipboard, and that should indicate include these things right in my panel. And immediately you are also greeted with this sub panel, this um, sub panel that comes up to make sure you confirm the transaction. So what exactly are you doing? You're sending 0.018, 0.001 ETH to this address, and you're sending 0.001 ETH to also this address, right? And then you can spray. So what spray does is behind the scene is bundling these transactions, keeping it to one, and that makes it reduce the transaction cost and also makes it easier for you to do this rather than doing it a single address at a time, which if you're doing over 30, 100, 1000 could easily become a really crazy pain point. And that is what mode spray is also working to solve like the UX ish on the web 3 train right now. So I can see that is 0.002 ETH here. I can see 0.002 ETH here, which means the value and the total is the same thing, is good. I can see how much that costs in dollar. I can see the gas fee, which is very low because it's a mode L2 and does all that awesome work. Now I'm just going to confirm the transaction, and that should go ahead and disperse. Remember that I showed you what I had previously in both account, and if everything works completely, you see transaction completed successfully. I can either check out the transaction, which will redirect me to the block explorer on mode to see the transactions I just completed, or in my case, I easily can just check it here. So do I have it? Yes, I do. I now have 0.001 ETH on Pluto. I also have 0.001 ETH on Suzuki. And once you're done with the testnet, you can always go to the mainnet to play with actual money and move things around. We already have teams using this to pay for salaries, to pay wages, and just get people involved in the community. If you want to see more improvement or you have feedback for us, please do check out the Discord, on the Discord community, or you create an issue on the project. If you click on, we're gonna add a project link somewhere here very soon. You can click on it, create an issue in the repo, and we would be sure to check it out and check whether it's a feedback, a bug fix, or whatever. We're gonna get it done. Thank you so much for joining and seeing this. See you on the next one.